Good morning, good morning. Hope you guys are all doing well. So we're gonna go do a little house tour here of my dear friend's home that he rents in Coatepec. And I'll put the price at the end. You'll be amazed what you can get. Hold on tight, mis amigos, let's go. We're down a dead-end street here. You got the park right in front of us. I got my raincoat today. It's supposed to rain, so we're gonna go for a walk here in the park after we're done. Climb the mountain. Okay, we woke the neighborhood up. Let's go inside and check out Roger's pad here, guys.
Doesn't eat my dog.
Laundry day. Oh, look at how cute he is, eh?
Gentle.
Oh.
I'm being gentle. Just a puppy.
All right. Oh, this is nice. You got a nice place here, man. It's okay. You got a nice kitchen here.
Bambino. Hey. Bambino.
Hey.
Bambino.
Oh yeah, nice kitchen. Beautiful. It's all right. I've got a lot of counter space. It's nice.
Yeah, I got my barrier up for the dog so he don't go over there.
The floor is nice. All right. Well, Roger's got kids, so don't mind the mess. You know how it is with children. So, oh, nice big flat screen TV. That's cool. I like your chandelier, your light. That's pretty nice. Awesome. All right, let's go upstairs. Check her out. Yeah, this place is pretty nice. This tile is new?
Yeah, I put that in myself. Well, I didn't put it in myself, but...
Yeah. You had somebody put it in for you.
Yeah.
That's nice. Good job. Oh, this is nice up here too. Oh wow, that's a big TV.
I haven't put the doors in yet. I bought some doors to put in here to separate.
You're spoiling the kids, man. Or is that spoiling the wife? Or spoiling yourself? Okay, so your modem's up here. You got fiber optics here or no? It looks like it's fiber optic, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
I couldn't tell you, to be honest with you. I know it works okay though.
It's good though.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice.
The kids' room.
They got the bathroom here. The kids got their own ensuite.
Yeah. And I put some tile in here too. You can see the little decorative stuff. But you know, it works for us.
Oh, that's nice. Nice, got a nice shower there. A walk-in shower. Very nice. No, this is great. I love the floors
For
in here.
$2,500, I can't complain.
No, and this goes out onto a little deck. Or?
Yeah, then we got our neighbor lives here next door.
Oh, okay. So that's kind of a joining walkway to get to the neighbor's house.
Oh, I don't know.
We don't need to go out there.
But it's,
Okay.
there's my other door, and then
Okay,
it
we'll
comes
take a
out
quick
to
peek.
here.
Oh, the dog's
A
over
little
here.
more rustic this way.
Yeah. Okay, so you can come upstairs here through this way too.
Yeah, that's their entrance.
Okay.
Usually.
Yeah, that's how they get into their unit. Okay. Very nice. Well, you got a little sink out here, a little wash basin. You can do laundry and.
That's mainly for the neighbor. We're from the bottom.
Okay, they use that area.
Yeah, that's their washing area, I guess you'd call it.
Yeah. Okay, well that's great. Awesome.
That's the only thing I haven't done is we got a washing machine, but
Now is this tile new too, or was this
No,
here?
this one's here already.
Oh,
This
okay.
is already here. This tile.
That's nice.
And,
Good job.
And they actually painted it. I want to repaint later, but one of those things where
Yeah.
I was going to replace all these things. You know how you start with what you're going to do.
Yeah.
I'm like, I did enough.
They get a little skylight there and everything.
Yeah.
A little bit of light in. No, this is all right. Like, wow, there's nothing wrong with this. Nothing wrong with this at all.
Yeah, no, I'm very happy here. I mean, it
No
serves
doubt.
all my needs.
For sure. Well,
And I brought my recliner from the United States, so I can recline.
the price is right. That's for sure, right?
Yeah.
You know.
You can't beat the price.
Oh, 2,000 pesos. Now you pay utilities on top of it. Now, how much is your power usually?
Well, usually it runs about 260, 300. This last bill was double the price, so I got 600. But it was that real hot period, and
Yeah.
we were running every fan in the house.
Yeah.
We had like 4 fans going and stuff.
Okay.
But I don't know if that's what the difference was, but
Well, more than likely, yeah.
Yeah.
So 3,000 pesos, and the power is every 2 months. And then
Yeah.
the water, you haven't paid that.
I mean, honestly, if you know, they always talk about you can live under $1,000. You can. I mean, we got a kid.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's one of those things where we do spend a little more money than $1,000 a month probably, but you know, you think about it, my rent's about 160
US.
150 US.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm spending $15 for electric.
Yeah.
Another 25, 30 for our internet.
Right.
You know, that's a bigger bill.
Yeah.
We don't no cable, nothing like that.
Yeah.
It goes through the internet. I think we do Netflix for 100 pesos.
Yeah, and then probably
Yeah, so
Prime.
that's $5. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
For Netflix. And that's about it. I mean, I think my biggest bill, honestly, is going to the grocery store because...
Yeah, and you're shopping at the market mostly.
Well, I do cheese. Like, there's certain products that I always get at the market. You know, some of the meat I get at the market. Some of the cheese, all the cheeses and yogurts and stuff I get from the market.
Yeah.
And then I go to Chedraui or the bodega for...
Yeah.
Whatever else we
Garbage
do, toilet
bags,
paper.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Shampoo and stuff
All right.
like that.
Awesome. Yeah, that's you got a good place here, man, for that price. That's fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. That's nice here. And the furniture was
Like I
the
said,
furniture was all
like,
included.
I picked this up for
Okay.
say like 4,000.
Pesos.
That when I bought it in America, I bought that.
You brought that here
I bought
from
a
the US.
used table for I don't know 500
Okay, so you furnish
pesos
this place.
Yeah, it's my furniture, and my big expense was I bought a nice refrigerator because I like American type refrigerators.
Yeah.
And we got a used stove. We're supposed to get another one, but you know, right now that one's serving the purpose. And then my little laundry area here, I want to upgrade my Mexican washing machine to an American style washing
That's
machine.
what we have at home. That's
Yeah.
exactly what Jennifer uses.
Yeah, I mean, it works.
It works good, yeah.
you
For
know.
2 people, it's perfect. But
Yeah.
when you start adding children,
Well,
it's a
the
bit
only
much.
reason for me it'd be for the bedding. I'd like a bigger one to wash the covers and stuff
Yeah.
like that, you know. But you know, those are things that are when you're paying that much rent, you can definitely afford it.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
making a couple dollars, so it's all
Perfect.
good.
All right, my friends. Wasn't that an awesome little house tour? So thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate it. Be sure to smash that like button. Give us a subscribe, please and thank you. It helps us out a great deal. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Hasta luego.